The compact Fanmaster 20kW indirect fired diesel heater generates instantaneous heat by utilising a flue system positioned on top of the heater to allow fumes to escape, resulting in a cleaner, dry heat that is ideal for confined spaces or areas with limited ventilation. Ducting can also be attached to the flue. The internal combustion chamber is made from stainless steel and is kept cool by an internal fan. An easy accessible toggle switch can be used to turn the unit on or off. When the ambient temperature exceeds the set temperature, the indirect fired diesel heater will shut down and restart when the room temperature begins to fall. This heater is also equipped with a 38 litre tank, dual display window, flame sensor and cut-off protection feature. The heater will also shut off if there is no fuel inside the tank. Wheels make it portable and simple to transfer to areas that require heating. As standard, the heater includes a 3-pin 10A plug. This unit is only for industrial use and must be used in well-ventilated areas when the flue system is not in use.